Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix Valorant FPS drop after Windows 11 update. So the first thing that we need to do is to optimize the settings a little bit. The first thing is to open the start menu and search for settings app. Click on it. And now from here you need to actually go to personalization. Go to colors and turn off transparency effect. Then you need to go to gaming. From here you need to go to game mode and turn on game mode. I'll see from here. After that go back and go to game bar and turn off allow your controller to open game bar. Now you need to go to apps and make sure that startup apps is turned off. So you need to go to the startup from here and make sure that any app that you don't want to start up that will actually lower your performance to be turned off. I'll see from here. So after you turn off all the apps that you don't need to turn on, now you can actually go back and search for core isolation. Make sure that you turn off memory integrity. I'll see from here. Click on yes. Also now the last thing that you can actually do is to open NVIDIA control panel or your graphic cards control panel. Now you need to make sure that you have added Valorant to the control panel. So from here make sure that you actually choose the NVIDIA processor. Also go to program settings, RC from here, and make sure that you choose Valorant from here. If you don't find Valorant, make sure to add it using the add button RC from here. You can also browse it if you don't find it. After that an apply button will appear from here. You can just click on it and now Valorant will be added. Also you can change a lot of settings from here to raise the performance. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.